Good morning. Happy Monday. It is Monday, October 2nd. The year is almost gone. It's currently 8:17. I am dressed and ready for the gym, just having my green juice. And then I'm probably gonna eat a yogurt and then we're gonna head out. I'm going to the gym a little earlier today. Normally on Mondays I do go in the mornings now, but I'm going a little bit earlier because I have a lot that I wanna get accomplished today. And then I also have to visit my friend this evening. So I just want to go to the gym and then knock out everything it is that I need to do. I need to return some packages. I need to pick up some stuff from either Home Goods or Marshall's. I want to get my nails done. I want to do like a good powder because I just feel like my nails deserve to look pretty. So I want to do my nails. I want to study. I have to study. October is here and I've been dragging my feet all year, which I'm not really like mad at myself about because life happens, but I do want to at least stop using the excuse of life happens and get some studying done, and hopefully I can knock out a couple of certs before the year is over. I talk about certs a lot and I don't think you guys really know what it is that I do. So I'm probably gonna do a separate video just talking about my new career and what it is that I do and what goals I have for myself as far as that career itself. But other than that, I am going to finish this and then we are going to head to the gym. And yeah.
Thinking that's creating a barrier between us and who God wants us to be in. Out of alignment with what God says is true, ask yourself this: who is this thought from? So it does not have room to bear fruit in my life.
So I am done lifting, finishing my cardio, and I think I'm gonna get my nails done. I don't have like a specific salon that I go to. That's a salon. I don't have a specific nail shop that I go to, but I'm gonna look for one. So the picture that I bought at Home Goods last week, I think I'm gonna return it because my bed set, like the furniture, is gonna be brown, so it doesn't really go anymore. So I'm looking for a replacement. I am at the home store and this caught my attention, but I feel like it's too busy. But I feel like it'd give a lot of color to my bedroom. That's just too big. I could also do like a collage, because these are the right colors. This is so pretty, but like to go where? But I feel like I could get these three and just do like a little collage on my wall above my bed. But honestly, this my sister told me to get brown furniture, and right now I'm not liking it. Like, just thinking about how it's gonna look on my bed frame, I don't like it. So I think I might go back to black or white. This is not bad, but I hate the frame. This is also not bad, but again, the frame. Oh, this is Starbucks. So why did I come into Target, did some shopping, got my coffee, and forgot that the reason I came here is because I had to come pick up my medication. Like, I was walking out when I realized it. Okay, so I did everything I had to do, and it's like not even morning anymore. It's afternoon, but I'm just gonna update you all before I end this vlog because I am so tired. All right, so you guys saw I went to the store. I did not find any pictures, so I may end up keeping the one that I bought at Home Goods. I came home to a PR package, perfume from Victor and Rolf. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, they sent me the whole thing. I was like shocked because when I got perfume from Replica, it was like this big. But this, thank you. I'm gonna have, it smells amazing. I already like sprayed it, put the lotion on. It smells freaking amazing. Like it's right up my alley. It has like jasmine, bergamot. It just smells really good. Like this is not even a hype. It smells. If I smelled it, I would buy it. Like if I was in Sephora and I smelled it, I would buy it because it smells great. Speaking of fragrances, I picked up some more. I got the Ariana Cloud Pink from Sephora. From Ulta. I went to Ulta. And then I got the Billie Eilish perfume. It took me some time to actually learn, like fall in love with this, but it smells amazing. So I'm glad I actually like gave it time instead of just writing it off altogether. And then I picked up some little knickknacks. All this was $170. Being a woman is expensive. I got this famous, it's like, I think it's famous or whatever, but it's the Juvia's Place blush, the purple one. Everybody and their mother is raving about it. So I picked up, and if you want to pick it up, it is the berries and the sweet berries, child. It's the sweet berries. And then I picked up some more of their Cola liner because this is my favorite, one of my favorite brown liners. It's perfect for my complexion. And I was out of my LA Girl Pro concealer, so I picked up 2 more of that. And that's all I got from Ulta. From Target, you guys saw that I picked up the Ruby. I can't pronounce her last name, so I'm not gonna do it. But I picked up her book, Milk and Honey, and I also picked up Homebody because I'm a homebody and I've read Milk and Honey online. It's just an amazing book, so I decided to just pick up one for myself. Then I also got granola because I'm all out. Some Jell-O pudding because I'm gonna use this to make some more ice cream. I got some waterproof liner because, mascara because I've been wearing makeup like not a lot to the gym just because it makes me feel really good. And y'all, I have been like dying because my mascara runs and gets into my eye and it hurts. So I usually use the Lash Paradise. I don't use the waterproof, so I picked up the waterproof because I really needed it. I got some more Crystal Light just for when I'm not like in the mood to drink water. It helps me get my water in. And then I picked up some Body Glide. I use this during leg day because I wear short shorts and it works. If your thighs chafe, pick up some Body Glide. People use Mega Babe. I've never used it before. I stick with Body Glide because it works for me. So yeah. What else did I get? And then Dollar Tree. I just picked up some energy drink because why not? It's $1. So I picked up the 3D Lemonade energy drink and I picked up their Galaxy Lime energy drink. And then I think I cleaned them out of their ice sparkling pineapple. This is crack cocaine for me and my mama. Like me and my mom, this flavor right here, the coconut pineapple, crack cocaine. It tastes like Fanta pineapple. That's what it tastes like, and I think that's why we're so addicted to it. I love it. I cleaned them. Like I bought all of it. You guys saw. But yeah, that's all. I'm warming up some ground turkey to have because I haven't eaten anything all day and I'm starving. So I'm gonna have that, change, and then head over to my friend's house, and that's it. I don't really have anything else to update you guys on. Oh, one more thing that I did buy. I picked up some Yasso Vanilla Chocolate Crunch because this is my favorite and it's currently on sale at Target. So if you like it, go get you some. But yeah, that's all. So I'm about to get my house in order, change, eat, head out, and all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like spending the day with me. It is like 5 o'clock, so that's why I'm cutting it out here because I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. So why to keep you guys like bored and whatnot. But yeah, this is Vlogtober. the second video. Can I do it the entire month? I don't know. We're just gonna keep going until burnout hits me. But for right now, we're doing good. No, this is Vlogtober, the 3rd video. Yeah, because you should have watched my weekend vlog yesterday. Yeah, so anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for just being you. And I hope this month is good for you, and I hope it's good for me. And you guys stay blessed, stay safe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.